Hi boys and girls, it's Shane, and I'm going to check in on my friend TK, who just bought a house with no money down. It's actually a duplex, this one right here, and has been renovating it for a while. The bank is paying for the renovations. He's out of pocket, nothing really on this, although he may have to use a credit card until the bank reimburses after the fact. But for the most part, he's not having to pay the money for the renovations. Let's see how far it's gone. TK!
Shane!
How you doing, buddy?
Hey!
I love your yellow walls. And
Hey.
I'm actually putting you online this time.
Oh, okay.
Look at this. He's got electricity with heaters going. It feels pretty good in here.
Yeah, it does.
This is a lot improved from the last time that I was in here with the video camera. So you framed in for where your pantry is going to go. Cool. And you're going to replace that with some shelves.
Yep.
You got the kitchen counters. Oh, your son's here working. I hear work happening. Oh. And this is Jitterbug.
Jitterbug, my helper.
Yes. I'm allergic to Jitterbug, so you can stay there. Look at all this. This is almost done, dude. You're so close.
Getting there.
Got the water heater going.
We just put the drain pan in this today, but I wasn't sure where to face it.
Okay.
Because I know you need some drain pan. So
Yeah.
your
So
opinion would
in
be-
this case, since we're in a crawl space, it's probably going to go down through the floor and then across. This is an exterior wall over here. So wherever you want to go, I would probably turn it, well, I don't know, the opposite side of the electricity might not be bad. It'll give you plenty of room away from that. So have it go in the ground there, underneath the house, and then go across to the outside here.
Okay. Quick question.
Right?
So I'm connecting this to
Yes.
this pipe down there. So this would just shoot right over?
That is only used if you open the valve to drain it. So you'd hook up this valve,
Hose.
you'd hook up a hose to this, you'd run it outside, and then you'd use a screwdriver to turn this knob.
Okay, that's how I
And
usually do it.
That's how you would drain it.
So this is really what we're focusing on, putting in the ground.
Yeah, so if this starts leaking or something happens, it goes into the pan, and then it goes from the pan underneath the Jitterbug into and then it goes outside the house so that you don't end up with a flood inside your house.
Okay.
That's what that's for. Okay, and you want to figure out how to do the shower?
Yes.
Okay, so the shower was already tiled when you bought the place. Oh yeah, you have lights on now. That is so cool, you have lights. So we got the shower here, but somebody broke off the copper nub. So somebody squatted in here and wanted to steal some copper, and even that little nub sticking out was enough for them to want to steal it. So let's figure out how to fix that. I think I got an idea.
I like
Hi, Shane.
ideas.
A little bit of cleanup and just a few more odds and ends. I guess this entry room is still a ways to go.
Window.
Windows.
Window.
Have you got windows yet?
No, I'm negotiating price and I'm waiting to see if the guy gets back to me on that.
Okay, so let's go to this side of the duplex.
Window. So we gotta
Okay.
figure out window.
This isn't yellow yet, are you? Do it quietly. Do it quietly, man. No, it's okay. Good job. Good job.
Remember my buddy Shane?
I do.
I definitely. So,
I don't remember looking so fancy though.
yeah, I'm about to do a podcast here in just a minute. Yeah, what color?
This one's gonna be blue-gray.
Blue-gray. So not the yellow, but more like the ones I do usually.
Blue-gray.
Okay, so we got 2 bedrooms on this small bedroom here. You got that sheet rocked up. Definitely got some finishing more so to do on this one. You got your fancy new electrical panel put in. Look at that. We got the electric meters out here. Sweet.
We got our mini.
Another mini split. Yeah. That was fun. Remember doing
That
the
was
mini
fun.
splits? That was last month, right?
Yeah. So same thing here. Don't worry about this. Just
I would say so. Yeah. That's how I would do it. I don't think you're going to have any problems with that. So this is the way to the bedroom. So you're still working on trying to make enough room for a door?
yeah. We'll have to
Okay.
do our best to do that.
Okay.
So Kevin's told us today.
Another mini split. Okay. So TK, what I think you do for the shower is in here. This is how that copper nub would have looked in the other shower. And this isn't going to be a problem here. So you've got like this nook. That's just needing some white grout. This will need some white grout when you mix some up. That's not going to be a problem. So you can't get to you don't want to do it from this side because you're going to have to take out the tile on that other side. I think we pull this toilet,
Okay.
and that shower is going to be right here. We cut a hole on this side of the wall behind where the toilet is. That way, if the patch isn't quite perfect on the texture, it won't really matter. But we should be able to cut it in and find out what's holding that nub in place behind it. But I bet you're going to be able to pull it out from this side, put a new copper nub on it, put it back in, and screw it all back into place, screw in a piece of sheetrock, and patch it. I think that's how you do
All
that.
right, let's do it.
So I think that's exactly how you should do
I
that.
was hoping we get back today or tomorrow. You think maybe tomorrow?
I can come help you tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Will you be here
Great.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
What time?
I haven't checked my calendar, but
Okay, send me a message.
yeah.